Hello guys, I am Hassan Chikoor and I am from CAD Gizmo. Friends, in this lesson we will learn about break and join command in AutoCAD 2021. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. Friends, first we will discuss the break tool. You can find your break tool in the Home tab and in the Modify panel, and here is your break tool. In the break tool we select object between 2 points. You can create a gap between two specified points on an object. Break tool is often used to create a space for a block or text. For now we create a space between 2 points, and for that click on break and select this line. Now it automatically pick a point, and to give a first point in the command line, click on first point. I give it the first point and the second point. So in this way we can create a space between 2 points. Now try here, select the break tool, click this line and click on first point, click this point and click this point. So in this way we can make our way of road, and for that click break tool again, select this line, click on first point and create a space. In this way you can use your break tool. So guys, this is the break tool. If I want to break my line on this single point, for that click on this break at point and select this line. Now specify break point and click here. In this way it break our line on a specified point. So in this way you can use this tool. If I make my line here, click on break at point, select your line and give the specified point. So in this way we can divide our lines. You can use this tool on line, arc and polylines. And close objects like circle cannot be broken at a single point, so you cannot use on circle. On arc, if I make arc here, and if I want to break it from this point, now go to break at point, now go to break at point, select the arc and specify the break point. In this way we can divide our arc into two objects at a specified point. Now see the polyline. Now if I want to break my polyline at this point, select the break tool, break at point tool and select your polyline. Now select specify break point. So in this way we divide our polyline. So guys, this is the break and break at point tool. Now we will see the join tool. I have these two lines, and if I want to join this, click on join tool and select these two lines and press enter. In this way you can use the join tool. Now if I make line like this and copy this at different distance, Now if I want to make a single unit with 3 these separate lines, select this and click on join. This tool converted these 3 separate lines into a single line. So in this way we can use our join tool. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment. So guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.